Marco? Marco, I don't see you. Where are you? Are you in here? It's dark in there. Marco! Where is he? Oh, where's Marco? There he is. Oh, there's a ball in there that's attached.
Yeah, won't be attached too long. Oh, there you are. Oh, how cute you are. Mommy, what a gift.
Oh, he rolled it around so it's dangling and he could just sit there and hit it. Because before it was like lying down on the ground. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, you like that ball, huh? Oh, you're going to work on that until it comes off, aren't you?